Hey, parents and teachers, it's me, Seth Perler, and I'm here with an executive function quiz for you that is designed to do two things. I made it for whether or not you're a parent and you're trying to help your child, or whether or not you're a teacher and you're wondering about a student that you're concerned about. I made it for two reasons. One, to help you identify what level of executive function they're at, and two, to give you a basic roadmap for how to help. Now, I've been working with students who struggle with executive function for many years, many students, and in that time, I've noticed that there are really four big categories that these kids fall into. So this quiz will help you identify which of the four categories or levels this student that you're wondering about falls into. After you're done, I'll go ahead and email you the results. And in the results, I will tell you which category they fall into so that you can understand the implications of them being at that category in a very realistic and meaningful way. Two, I'll give you specific actions you can take to serve students who are at that level. And three, I'll send you my blog, weekly vlog, which goes out every Sunday to my entire audience, which will tell you any new content that I have. If you like my work, please share this quiz with somebody today. I put a lot of heart and time into this. I really appreciate you sharing it. And go ahead and dive in. Good luck with this. And I will see you on the other side. Take care.